can see you swaying, 3 a.m. dancing in the hallway. Lost in San Francisco, wonder should we let go of everything. Someday we will dream about today. Look back, wonder how it slipped away.
Good morning. It's 6:17. I had to be at Lauren's at 6:15, but we're like 5 minutes away. We are commencing our trip to the Ozarks. It's Lauren's birthday weekend. Her birthday's next week. We've got a Love Island Airbnb and we got a boat rented for a day. I really don't know what the rest of the plans are. I'm being a passenger princess on this trip for like the first time in my adult life, so that's fun. We rented a van. There's 6 of us total. 5 of us for the first 4 hours, and we're gonna go pick up my friend Miranda at, I don't know, airport in St. Louis, somewhere like that. Let's get started. Good morning, sunshine. Sunshine 2 and sunshine 3. Come on, come say hi. Road matcha. We're packed in. Ready to roll. Are you ready, sweeties? B-roll, B-roll. Stop. Vlogging. Vlog, vlog. True life. We out here.
Yes. Dang, all air. That's crazy.
The setup. The naysayer.
Someone tell her we're rolling up. Someone tell her.
Our friend!
People in their late 30s. Late 30s. I'm not even 40. Late 30s, aging poorly. Dumbass.
We've made it to the land of our people for the weekend. Everybody, load out, troops. Brussels sprouts.
Thought it was.
Low key cute guys, right? Cute. Welcome to Ozark land. Lemonade. Show off their goodies. What'd you get? This looks like Alec. This is me and Lauren. Nobody cared. Oh.
This is good too.
Everybody's snacking.
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 no.
Snack.
I got it. Janice, I can't turn the car off. Alright. Freedom Lane! Hell yeah, we're so in here for fucking America's birthday. I'm scared. Why is it so steep? Maybe on the light. Oh, there it is. Yay! Oh. There gonna be some bears over here? I'm there gonna be some downs over here. I'm just there with try.
Okay. Preview of what is
The
it?
villa.
The villa. So freaking cute. Lauren made little baggies for us. Another bombshell. That's so cute. Spilling the tea. Oh, that's okay, actually. What's up here? Very nice. This is Lauren and Sarah's room in soul ties. And then our rooms. Right downstairs.
Yeah, probably place too. Yes. Finally.
This must be the place.
Dream.
What is it like that? Here's our room. Better together. Me and Alyssa rooming.
Okay, when we go to my end.
Probably the bathroom. And then Kayla and Miranda in the hideaway. Very nice. Oh, get her in there.
They're so cute.
Hell yeah. A little balcony. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, y'all. Very cute. How exciting.
Cute.
Once over for the details. Hell yeah. What's the rating so far?
20 out of 10.
It's so cute.
10 out of 10.
Woo! That's our villa. The reveal. The level review. Oh, a scrunchie.
prunes. I have never had a prune in my life. That's interesting.
A prune?
Yeah. A little eye patch, a little lip mask, little face mask, little chapstick. Look at this. That's cute. I don't know what the heck this is. We're gonna have to see. And that's what's in my bag. My friends at the door. I'm coming for you. Oh God. Mama don't like. We're jumping off that later. Oh yeah.
Maybe play a girly pop.
Do you think they're gonna have big? 6 of us unloading.
Little skip soup.
All here. What more could you want? The whimsy. All of our grocery items. Gonna make something good. We stocked it. We got 3 different types of alcohol and non-alcohol.
Boys, let's go. Don't want to be excited by it.
Show me your creation. 2 pasta salads and then another salad of the fruit variety. We are living. Mommy's cooked. Not yet.
What are you doing? She's playing games. What are you doing? Wait! Stop! You called me! Come on!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, see that.
You guys just want to see me on my knees and shit, huh? That's weird.
Get to it. Do it, class.
Classy Jen, classy
Happy
Jen.
Hey.
Dirty 30.
This is cute.
1, 2, 3. Wait, the flash is on. Period.
Good morning. My glasses are foggy. Just woke up. It's 4th of July. Today, I think the plan is breakfast here, go explore downtown, and then watch fireworks here, I think. I talked to the neighbor yesterday, and he said someone in this cove does fireworks shows every year, so we're in a good spot. At least in this part, it's really beautiful. Like, I was not expecting this. We've only been in the Airbnb so far, and all Love Island theme aside, like, this is a really nice Airbnb as well. Beautiful trip so far. Seemingly no one's up, so I might just start breakfast. Actually, I'm not gonna cook because I don't know how people like the eggs, but I'm gonna batch some matchas because that's my duty here. Yeah, ingredients is simple. Okay, this is the Nutra. It's called Organic Sweet Matcha. And I do 2 teaspoons of this. And then this one is a matcha superfood mix by Sherry Sweetheart. I just do 1 teaspoon of this. Seems silly, but I'm going to use this because I know how much to put in this to make 1, and then just pour it in here. And then when everybody's up, we can just get our icing cups and such. And then actually, I put some water from here. Just enough to mix it up. And usually at home, I do 2 pumps of the, it's not Torani, it's a different brand. But maybe I'll just do like a squirt. Get our lid. Oh, Jesus. And actually, usually I use my frother, but this is easier. Come on. And then usually I just top it off with ice. That's 1. So the thing about this is eventually I'm gonna have to stir it up because all the sediment is gonna go at the bottom. So maybe not the best idea, I don't know. Also, I've almost went through all the syrup, so It's okay. It's like 8:30 as far as I know. Sarah's the only one that's awake. So I'm gonna start breakfast just by cooking the sausage because there's only one way to cook that. I only have one thing of eggs, so I don't want to make eggs the way people don't like. Let's get into it. So we have pots, so we're gonna do what we can.
Also, there were pans. They were down there. I've been vlogging all morning, guys. Okay, we had breakfast, did the get ready process. Lauren and Kayla, they're done with it. They need us to leave. And Miranda's dressed. Alyssa's almost dressed.
I am dressed.
She's dressed.
I'm clothed.
I'm dressed. Sarah's most likely very dressed. She's been very much dressed, Lauren said. See, she added the very. She needs us to go.
Done.
We made it. Me and my sparkling water against the world. Baddie alert, baddie alert. My crew is only baddies, as they say. Yes, baddie. A little bit more. Lauren, the birthday girl, she's gonna show us her outfit.
Hello, this is my outfit. Goodwill. Ross.
And do a spin. There we have it. Next up, Alyssa.
JCPenney. Aeropostale. I don't know. Kohl's, I think. And I don't know where this is from. Actually, it's from Hobby Lobby.
There you go.
Doesn't match.
Now Miranda.
Shirt from Shein. Bottoms from Shein. Ross. Steve Madden.
And Kayla. Alright, this is take 2. I didn't record the first one. I've got Kayla.
Skirt is Thrifted, shirt is Shein, bracelet Pandora, ring, don't know, coffee is Coffee Bar and baby mom, I'm going here we are.
Cute. And I've got Sarah. Tell us.
Thrifted. Shein. And I think Walmart.
There we go. Hey, Jasmine. Marshmallows are TJ Maxx. This is from Ross. It's from a brand called Free Haven. And then these are Crocs. Brian got me them. This I thrifted. This is Amazon. Killed it. And you can't forget a Cheers. It's like lemon cherry chocolate. Delicioso. Fire. New spot. That's super nice. We just keep saying everything's cute. My love language is my friends saying, I think this would be Jay's.
Put my vape in here.
This is a fire bench.
Contrasted.
Which one, chat?
Which one, chat?
Say left. Do the other one, maybe.
Help me.
What?
This one?
The other one.
I like that one. Oh gosh.
Wait. Let me see that
Is
one.
this
again.
one?
You say you can't fix stupid. Okay.
And trucker hats never look like red. I feel like that one is like mom on Facebook.
This one? Beautiful. There we go. And we're passenger princesses. Okay, I didn't do jewelry, so this is Versace versus this is my wedding ring. This is Shein. This is a gift from Brian. This is from Brian as well. Amazon. Oh shit. Amazon, Shein. Pagoda. Shein. Shein? Shein. Also, yeah, is it Shein or Shein? I say Shein. My friends say Shein. So. Come here! Come here, baby! Oh shit! Oh my god! It just started getting gray out of nowhere! And the power's out. That was so quick!
We are not in Kansas anymore.
Oh my god! though of probably getting away from the windows.
Yeah. Good thing we got some candles. Where's your candle?
Most recently.
You put Kayla too?
I put Lauren, Alyssa, and Kayla.
I was gonna put.
A tree fell down. And we're back out here like an hour or two later. Because it's sunny now. You digging in your ass? That's your This is the end of it, but proof that we had ice cream. More proof.
Great job, Jay.
What happened?
Mama's sad.
Mama's sad. Alright. Night night.
Well, we turned it back off when you guys said
You
you
gotta
were
get
gonna
really
help.
close to it.
It's like we're glamping. My brother said there's trouble in the villa, huh? Power's still out. We used the car to charge our phones a little bit. Made some hot dogs on the grill. Shout out to Lauren and our neighbor for turning the grill on. And now we're gonna do a fireworks show. Oh, that's perfect. Don't limit her cheering. She's having a great time. It's her birthday.
It's America's birthday. I'm just thankful they didn't have to do all this work.
Really?
Wait on that.
Yeah!
Who's that man over there?
Morning vlog. I'm taking my phone out of the car right now because we are still out of power. Charging our phones in the car. We have our boat day today, so we are getting ready with the natural light and our I don't know if I said this, but our water is connected to power too, so we're flushing the toilet with buckets. Everybody's sad. I'll show you. Current setup. Minnows are sitting outside. At least we have the water behind us. You have to embrace it.
I am embracing it. I'm sitting on the ground, Jasmine. I'm crying.
You have to do it naturally when you have power too. Alright chat, it is a 9:16 Duluth. Can you see? Maybe I should just flip it. Huh? Duluth. It's for the light. I'm gonna just take it all off. But here we go. The struggle. She's committed to being a smooth body. Shein, Target, Shein, Brian Gift, Shein, Jamal, Shein, like Shein, Shein, the trenches.
Why do you look down like that?
I don't know where my fucking sunglasses are.
Oh.
Fucking put these on and try it with the stupid thing. Do it now. Now she's saying things that are gonna further.
It's crying. Why are you laughing, you bitch? It's funny. I know we're scared.
Yeah.
Mama cried. Mama sad. Mama not like red light.
Mama in despair.
Mama bad day. Mama tragedy.
Making little sandwiches with Hawaiian bread and cheese, ham and salami. We're doing what we can, folks. No, this was the plan all along, actually. We got hello avocados because we were going to do our avocado toast today. And we're just going to take like the mayonnaise and mustard and peanut butter and jelly because I think we're stopping somewhere along the way. Salami. Kobe. That's it. Alright, vlog. Not only is our power out, we're going to our boat, and it was 30 minutes, and now...
Who's going first and what?
At first it was worse, and then it got worse.
Taps all around.
I got your cooler here.
You found out about me through her. They were the best.
Okay, well then we need to yeah, what the heck?
Kayla, Alyssa, Sarah, Lauren. Cause this is how you do it when your power went out. Oh no! Oh no! This is from Miranda. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful girls.
Give it to me.
Take care. Have a happy
Yes.
We got sorbet. Just kidding.
I stick it on the screen.
Your ice cream's in the air. Our vessel awaits. Where are we? What's the name of this?
Frank and Louie.
Frankie and oh yeah, Frankie.
Key West of the Midwest.
That's where we are today.
You're gonna make me die. Oh my god, you got me by the blade. Go.
Locked up from an Airbnb. We going to a new Airbnb. Oh, we're going to Casa though.
This one's so cute. The other one's cute too, but
This one's just falling.
It says Casa Amor right here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this chandelier.
Oh, it is right there. Lover. Is this the hideaway? Live, love, lols.
No, it's hot as fuck up here. Girl, the air. Do that little fan. Ugh, you got 3 fans.
More. What is this? Oh.
Oh, I'm scared. Is there a bathroom upstairs or is this the only bathroom? It's so cute in here.
Oh, there's another bedroom down here. This is looking pretty sick. It looks spooky out there, guys.
Oh my god.
Power went out, but came back on. What up, chats? We're at our new Airbnb. We got off of our boat. Me and Lauren jumped in the water, and then we just packed up and headed here. We all took our showers. Obviously getting ready right now. We ordered some food, so hopefully it starts coming. And then it did rain a little bit. Power was a little spooky, but we're good now. At least we all got showered. And now we're just getting ready for like a villa. When they come down from the stairs from the villa, so we're gonna get dressed up. So that's what we're doing. And then tomorrow we leave. I'll show you all of our outfits. I'll give a spin for everybody once everybody's ready. Okay, I have Sarah. This is Casa night 1 and only. Okay, where's your outfit from? Necklace?
Albert's.
There we go.
Albert's. My mom.
Cute. Lorenza's outfit check. I got this from Ross. Necklace. Dorado. Kayla doesn't want to do hers. Where's your outfit from?
Dress is Miranda's. Shoes thrifted. I think I got this for Valentine's. I don't remember. Yeah, I got this for Valentine's Day. And Pandora bracelet.
Cute. Alright, outfit check.
Starting with shoes. Jasmine suitcase.
I think those are Shein.
Amazon. I don't know. CVS.
Actually, I think those are Steve Madden. Mine are Shein. We've seen this, the Versace glasses. Versace versus a wedding ring. I don't know, Brian's mom gifted me that one. Shein. Brian gifted. Amazon. These ones are expensive. Where's my boob? Shake your dress! Shake your dress! Shake your dress! It's over.
Get those notes perfectly. We're like,
She's like, do you feel an angel watching over you?
Good job.
Good morning. It's 8:24. Done my morning routine. Checkout here is at 10. I think the girls are trying to get out here at 9:30. But I had an alarm go off. Alyssa's been had alarms go off. I'm sleeping with Alyssa. So I was like, just wake up. Usually I wake up at this time anyways. Now I get to enjoy our little Airbnb space. I am gonna go out by the dock. I was thinking about jumping in, but I don't want to take a shower. So let's go check it out. In case I didn't get it before, this is the front. Casa Amor. It's cute. The host, like, these are really on theme. Kudos to her. So cute, but it's for decorative purposes only. Sour. So nice. My review of this trip is as follows. Would I come back again? Yes, but like a family trip. I didn't go downtown or anything, so I can't speak to any of that. And then obviously weather has done us in. So yeah, we've only really explored our Airbnbs, and obviously we got on the boat. It's been fun. Like, these Airbnbs have been nice, and like the girls really like the pictures and stuff. Not that I don't as well, it's just not like my first choice in a trip, you know what I'm saying? But it's been fun, and the boat was really cool. I just like jumping off the little high thing, and the boat I did a couple times. And that restaurant we went to, my food was good. I didn't even take a video, but I'd come back, not immediately, maybe in some future years. But I think this is probably the end of the vlog. We're gonna be leaving soon, so if you've watched this long, thank you, love you. And I want to do more of these, so stay tuned.
Sit down! You're hitting him! Sit on her. I can't breathe. Enough, mama.